Would definitely recommend STAD Solution to anyone who built their career in software testing. Hi everyone, I recently completed my software testing training from the STAD Solutions and I had really great experience. The trainer here are really very knowledgeable and explain both manual and automation testing in a very simple and a clear way. The best part was that the practice sessions, they gave the real-time examples and hand-on assignments that really built my confidence. The environment is very friendly and the team is always ready to help and clear the doubts. Their placement support also guided me very well during the interviews and shared good job opportunities. And I would definitely recommend STAD Solution to anyone who built their career in software testing. It's one of the best training institute in Ahmedabad.